Good morning, madam. We are from Group 3, Team A, and my name is Chua Wee Chan with metric number 272015. I would like to present about the sequence diagram, communication diagram for the first requirement, which is manage the ambulance information, and I will also present the class diagram that combine from our four of our requirement class diagram. For the first one is the sequence diagram for my requirement. In the sequence diagram, we can see that have one row, 5 boundary, 1 controller, and 3 entity. The row is our St. John ambulance staff. For the boundary type is type of ambulance, view information, add information, edit information, and also the remove information. Our system controller is a ambulance system. Our system and the entity of the first requirement is St. John ambulance system, user detail, St. John ambulance booking system. They are divided into the 5 fragments for this sequence diagram, such as A1 view, A2 add, A3 edit, A4 remove, and the last one A5 cancel. For the first fragment is the view function of the system. In this function, the transaction request to view the ambulance information will be sent when we press the type of ambulance button. For the second one is add function of the system. In this function, the add transaction request will be sent after we press the add information button. We need to press the confirm button to confirm the information we want to add to send the transaction request. For the third fragment is edit function of the system. In this function, we can edit the information available when we press the edit information button. The request transaction will be sent to the controller. In this function, we still need to press the confirm button to confirm the information we want to edit to send the request transaction. For the number 4 fragment is remove function of the system. In this function, the remove information request transaction will be sent after we press the remove information button. We also need to press the confirm button to proceed the remove information request. And for the last one fragment is cancel function of the system. In this function, the cancel request will be sent when we press the cancel button. The next one is the communication diagram of my requirement. In this diagram also include all of the information of the sequence diagram. We import the information from the sequence diagram to make this diagram. We can know the communication between all of the parts by see the arrow direction in the diagram. The forward arrow brings the meaning of send the request or any transaction we want to send to make the movement, and the reverse arrow means the display of all the information that sent back to us from the lifeline that we could request from. And for the last one is our group class diagram. In the class diagram, we can see that the diagram was divided into 3 parts. That the middle one is our system entity. Middle one is our system and controller, ambulance service system. The bottom one is our system entity, which is St. John ambulance booking system, user details, and also St. John ambulance system. In the St. John ambulance booking system, there are the contribute, that is name, IC number, contact number, and the state. For the user detail, the contribute is also the same. Name, IC number, contact number, and the state. And for the St. John ambulance system, the contributes is the ambulance, type of ambulance. The last one is the boundary that surround the system controller, such as booking system UI, type of ambulance, view information, add information, edit information, remove information, and also menu interface. In the class diagram, we can understand the system use the controller as a control center to import the data and also update the data that available in the three entity.
A very good morning to Madam Nolida, lecturer of STID3024 System Analysis and Design Group H. My name is Chua Wee Chan with method number 20948. Now, I will continue my part, which is the sequence and communication diagram of ASMS02 Central Ambulance Service Booking System. So, I will start from the sequence diagram. In this sequence diagram, there are two actors, which is public user and staff of Central Ambulance Malaysia. As you can see, the boundary of this sequence is the booking system UI. Controller is booking system controller, and the entity is Central Ambulance Booking System and Central Ambulance System. First is the view ambulance service information sequence. The staff or user can view the price of ambulance service by clicking the pricing button. Second, the add ambulance information sequence. The staff of Central Ambulance Malaysia can add the new information to the system by click the add button and insert the new information as the input, and the system will display the updated information. Third, the edit ambulance service information. The staff can also edit the ambulance service by click the edit button and insert the new information as the input, and the system will display the edited information. Next, remove the ambulance service information. The staff can remove the unwanted information by clicking the remove button and select the information that they wish to remove. The system will remove the selected selection and display the updated information. Next, place booking. The public user can place the booking of Central Ambulance Service by clicking the booking button. The system will direct it to the booking page, and the user can choose the selection they needed. At the end of the system, will display the booking successfully. Next, the view booking history. In this sequence, the staff can check the user booking history by insert their name as the input, and the system will display the booking history of the user. Last but not least, the view terms and conditions sequence. In this sequence, the user can view the terms and conditions by pressing the terms and condition button, and they need to agree to the terms and conditions before they proceed to their booking. As shown, this is the communication diagram of ambulance booking system. It shows the interaction between the staff of Central Ambulance Malaysia, public user, booking system UI, booking system controller, Central Ambulance Booking System, and the Central Ambulance System. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi madam, now it's my turn to present about the third part. This is the sequence diagram for the view ambulance info. As you see, here is the user, which actor, which is the public user, and we have homepage and boundary, menu interface as second boundary, ambulance information system is our controller, and Central Ambulance System is our entity. Here it says we have 4 input, for each input, and here is my sequence diagram for view information for this analysis phase. Okay, here is my collaboration diagram for the analysis phase, system sequence diagram for the ambulance info. As you see also, same as the sequence diagram, here is the home page as boundary, menu interface and boundary, ambulance information and controller, and Central Ambulance System as entity. And we have the public user as actor and 4 different input. Here is my sequence diagram for information ambulance info of design phase. Same as the analysis phase, we have homepage and boundary, menu interface and boundary, ambulance info center is our controller, and Central Ambulance System is our entity. And same also, we have 4 different input. Just this is all in the design phase sequence diagram. And next, here is our design phase. Here's our collaboration diagram for design phase, view info, ambulance info. And here is same thing for all the lifeline, hot patch, manual interface, ambulance info system, a controller, and central ambulance system entity, and also probably user as actor, and 4 different input. Here is the part 4 about the booking ambulance service. So here is the analysis phase for the sequence diagram of booking ambulance service. Okay, here we have central ambulance primary user as the actor, home patch is boundary, manual interface boundary, ambulance information system as controller, central ambulance information as entity, user details entity, and central ambulance booking system entity. And here we have about add input, and also here is a full sequence for this sequence diagram. Okay, here is the ambulance service, booking ambulance service collaboration diagram for analysis phase. Same as the sequence diagram, we have central ambulance primary user as actor, home patch in boundary, manual interface boundary, ambulance interface system is controller, and 3 entity, which is central ambulance system, user details, and central ambulance system. And we have add input as well, and the full sequence here. And so here is the design phase of sequence diagram for booking ambulance service. Same as the one in the analysis phase, we have all the public user, boundary, controller, and entities, and all the add inputs, and all in the analysis phase sequence code. Lastly, here is the booking ambulance service collaboration diagram for analysis phase. Same as the last as well, we have the public user as the actor, 4 different input, home patch boundary, menu interface as boundary, controller is the ambulance information system, and 3 entity, and all the inputs and the sequence code here. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.